So if you are employed, if you can provide your pay stubs, they're going to be able to give you up to $1,000 without checking your credit. And guys, there are so many different places out here. Like, I know we love Navy Federal, I know we love Amex and Chase. There's like 5 or 6 different big banks that everyone talks about. But guys, there are so many different in the cut gems that are waiting to be tapped into. Some of these credit unions are geo-restricted, meaning you may only be able to see these guys or even get access to these guys in certain areas of the country, maybe on the West Coast, maybe on the South. But what I want to do today specifically, I want to go over Security Plus Federal Credit Union, and I want to go over the different credit options and products that you can use to tap into these guys. Typically on this channel, we talk about how to repair our credit, how to dispute items, how to add primary trade lines on our credit profile to be able to go to any financial institution, whether it be Security Plus, whether it be Amex, Chase, and be able to tap into whatever credit products that you're looking for. And I want to go over some of their personal credit products. I'm also going to do a part 2 to this video because I don't want this video to be too long, but they do offer quite a few business credit products as well, specifically an unsecured credit card that goes up to $25,000. So let's go over the personal credit products right now, and then I'm going to do the part 2 right after. All right, guys, so sometimes you can go ahead and you can sign up directly with a credit union. Sometimes you have to go and do like a workaround where you have to sign up with one of their nonprofit partners, and then that's how you're able to get backdoored into the credit union. So for Security Plus, it's going to be that way. So we're on the home page. I want to scroll down a little bit. Let's click on Become a Member. We click on that. So if we look at the membership eligibility, you can see here, if you're somebody that lives in Baltimore City, Maryland, you don't have to sign up for any type of nonprofit organization. Most of us, we're going to have to sign up through the American Consumer Council, the ACC. If we click this right here, and you might have heard me talk about the ACC before. There were a couple credit unions that actually use the ACC. Click that link, hit join now. And this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the lifetime, see if I can zoom in here. We're looking for the lifetime membership access, and it's only $15. So you spend the $15, not only are you going to get access to Security Plus, but there are dozens and dozens of other credit unions that you can jump in with this membership. So this is going to be a good value. You'll have a code, and then you'll be able to apply with Security Plus, right? But let's jump over to the personal side, right? Let's look at the credit cards. So from right to left, they have a shared secured Visa. Now, I did get on the phone with their customer service rep. Unfortunately, their secured credit card product does not graduate. For whatever reason, I don't know why these credit unions and some of these banks don't allow this. To me, it just makes more sense to help somebody kind of go from that building stage up to the leverage stage. But as of right now, as of this recording, if you wanted to get a secure card from these guys, the only way that you're able to get that initial security deposit back is you have to close the card. I'm not a fan of that. You have the student visa. Let's scroll here. You have the signature rewards visa, 0% on purchase and balance transfers for 12 months. And they're offering a $150 bonus when you spend $1,000 on purchases in the first 90 days. No annual fee on none of these cards, which is great. APR, you're looking at 15 to 18%, which is, pretty standard, and a balance transfer fee of 2.5%. In the Platinum Reward Visa, you're looking at 4.99% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. And then they give you 2,500 bonus points after the first purchase of $100 or more. All right, so now you can go ahead and see the APRs for these cards, right? I'm always a big fan of, let's zoom back in here, 0% on purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. Those are you guys that are trying to take some of your high interest credit cards. We talked about this before with some of these subprime predatory type of cards that are giving you guys 25, 30, 36% APR. Take that card, transfer it over to a card like this, 0% on purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. This is how you're able to save a whole lot of money in interest by transferring over to a 0% card. Let's go back up. Now I want to check out their personal and secured lending. So what about their loans? Now, I didn't mention this before, guys, but on their personal cards, they're going to be pulling your TransUnion. TransUnion is what they're going to be pulling from. So any of the credit card products, whether it be your personal or business, they will pull from your trained union. Hey guys, quick thing I wanted to add as I was editing the video. I didn't mention that for Security Plus, if you're going ahead and you're trying to do an application for any of their credit card products, they're going to be able to hold your credit reports for 30 days. So as long as you can keep your applications within 30 days, you should only get one hard inquiry for their credit card products. So then they offer personal loans, they offer secure loans, they offer a credit builder loan. So again, for somebody that is out there, you're looking for maybe an alternative to like a self, right? Or you're looking for something to build your credit. Not only do they have personal loans, and we're going to talk about the quick cash loan in a second, but for this one right here, if you're looking for a credit builder loan, so $500 to $3,500 is what they're going to report on your credit reports, right? It's going to be 6 to 36 months. You're going to pay every single month, whatever the term that you agreed to. And after the 6 to 36 months, they're going to give you that money back. This is their credit builder loan. This is an alternative. Instead of going to someone like Self, right? You can go to a credit union. You can build a relationship, because with all of these credit unions, you want to build a relationship. You want to try to get as many credit products as possible. Take it, pay it off, take it, pay it off. The more products that we can use and build a relationship with a credit union, the easier it is for us to be able to get higher funding later on, right? You're not able to get an unsecured credit card product with Self. You're not able to get a $25,000 business card with Self. You may go here, pay a little bit more in interest on their credit builder card, but now you have a primary trade line, and now you have something that's building a relationship with the credit union. Now the quick cash loan. So now this right here, you can borrow up to $500 and they're not even going to look at your credit. The only thing that they need to see here, let's zoom in. You will be required to present copies of your 2 most recent pay stubs. So if you are employed, if you can provide your pay stubs, they're going to be able to give you up to $1,000 without checking your credit, right? This is why I say, guys, all of these credit unions, I don't care where you are in the stage of your credit journey. If you're someone that is still trying to build up your credit profile, you have these personal loans, you have these credit builder products. Now you have this quick cash loan that they're not going to check your credit, right? So as long as you pay back the previous quick cash loan, and let's say you wait, I think it's 60 days. Let's look right here. Yeah, so 60 days. So you can do the quick cash loan. They're not going to check your credit, and then you can come back 61 days later and do it again, right? So it doesn't matter. I don't care where you are in the credit journey. These credit unions, specifically Security Plus, they have something here for you to take advantage of. All right, guys, so we went over the personal credit cards. They're going to pull from TransUnion. We went over the different type of personal loans that you can get: personal loans, secure loans, credit builder loans, and a quick cash loan, where you can get up to $1,000 without them even looking at your credit profile. This is the video that's going to go over the personal. I'm going to end this one right here, and then I'm going to do a video about their business credit products, because there's a whole lot of data points that I want to share with you guys on that one. I want to keep this short as possible, right? Make sure you guys like, subscribe, go down in the comments, give me your thoughts. I'm going to check you out in part 2.